How to bundle on Mercari. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can bundle on Mercari. So, how can you bundle on Mercari? To bundle on Mercari majorly is to select at least 10 items from a particular seller. All right, when you select over 10 items from a particular seller, when you had up to 10 items from a particular seller to your cart, you would have a bundle. And how do you do so? The first step is to go ahead and locate a particular product that you desire. All right, you can use these two different methods actually. If you know the name of the brand, the name of the brand that you would like to purchase the products from, you can just go to the search icon here, click on it, and then type out the name of the brand. But if you don't, and then you would like to make a bundle because you're looking for things at a lower price, because when you make a bundle, you have a chance of negotiating a better price for multiple items. All right, so to make a bundle, just go ahead and select a particular product that you would like to get. And so once you've done that, you can see if you are satisfied with this product, just scroll down until you can see the brand's name. So once you can see the brand's name, just go ahead and click on it. So after clicking on the brand's name, you'll be referred to the brand store where you can see items from the same seller. All right. So once you can see these items, you can now go ahead and begin to add all of this to your cart. So after adding the items to your cart, ensure the worth of the item is up to at least $2,000. So after you've added the items and they are up to that amount, you will see the option bundle items and make offer in your cart. For me, it's not been displayed because I don't have up to that number of items yet. But for you will see the option bundle items and make offer. So click on it and then input your offer price. Your offer price should be up to $2,000. And after inputting it there, you will send the bundle offer to the seller, and then the seller has 24 hours to accept, counter, or decline. All right, so if an item in the bundle sells before you get a response, your bundle offer will be cancelled. And once an offer or a counter offer is accepted, you will be charged that price, and then you get your products and you send the money. So this is how it works. So if you are wondering how you can make a bundle, this is it. Just ensure you get at least 10 items to 12 items from the same seller. Gather them together in your cart and then you can now make the offer. Thank you for watching and have a good day.